Hello everyone. So, today we're playing Super Mario Brothers, a Plumber for all seasons, or Super Mario Brothers for all seasons. Anyway, as you can see, I have literally 100% of the game before. However, don't worry, because this was 2 years ago. So, if I click new game, I don't really... I mean, I know what happens, but yeah. Everyone to spend an entire year with Mario? Lucky you, your dream has just come true. Join your favorite plumber on his storyless stroll through the 4 seasons on this unnamed island. Have fun. That's the intro. Whatever, fall. Anyway, the island stays the same the entire game, which is pretty cool. Except the locations of the level change. And the locations of the level are sometimes exactly the same. So it's a pretty fun game, honestly. This is probably, my favorite Mario hack. Just because of all the effort that it has, it's crazy. Alright, anyway. This box says, blah blah blah, there's star coins, and you need to collect them. And if you collect them, there's bonus levels. I already know how to play this, I'm good, but like, yeah. If you collect them, there's bonus stuff. So, yeah. Oh, that's not what I meant to do, but okay. These are like footballs, kind of. Alright. That's 4. And alright, bam, there's level 1. I mean, there's really not much to say, you just do that in every single level. Anyway, 1-2, down by the water. So this is a kind of beach-ish level. Whoops. So, yeah, I mean, the worlds don't really have designated themes, except, well, the seasons, obviously. So, cool. Alright, something down here. It's a coin, obviously. Seems like there's more, though. Over here? Nah, there's nothing. Alright, whatever. It's just there for decoration, I guess. So, anyway, bunch coins here. I'm not sure if coins can be in boxes or not. But I guess check them just in case. I don't know. Kind of forgot. Anyway, yeah. More pipes with, coins in them. I'll go in every single pipe in this game, because the coins actually matter. And that's pretty interesting. I think that's pretty cool that the coins actually do something. It's not like every other game. Plus, every single thing is custom except Mario, which is also really cool. dang it. I don't know. It was just such a creative idea for a game. It's so much fun. I mean, it's not like... Well, actually, it is like the best thing ever. It is the best thing ever. But, yeah, I don't really know what I was trying to say. Anyway, if it's red, then, obviously there is a secret exit inside. Like 1-3, which is called Even More Water. This is like a full underwater level. The sky is huge, isn't it? I bet there's enough room up there for a whole, secret world or something. And there's where our wonderful coins come in. Access to the secret worlds. Or, not secret worlds, secret levels. It's one world. You need all the coins to get secrets. Which I already got all the coins, but I mean, I don't really know where they are, because that was 2 years ago. So I mean, obviously, if I beat this hack 2 years ago, yes, it's very easy, in fact. I don't know if it's actually rated easy or normal on, SMW Central, but... yeah. Be something up here. Nothing? Okay. Oh boy. Alright. Alright, oh, here's the coin. Whoa. Whoa. Alright. I went over there. Okay. Another coin right here. Very coin. Yes. Very coins. Alright. There's something important over there. I already got what was important. Alright. That's the first half now. About the second half, this is a pretty long level. This one. A lot of the oh my god. A lot of the levels in this game are pretty long. So, yeah. I don't know if I'm supposed to go down there for a coin or what. There's probably a coin down there. I don't really know how I'm supposed to get rid of this thing though. Oh, there's blocks right here. Cool. There we go. This is probably something. Yep, it is. Great. Gonna go down here before I go in any random pipes. I'm pretty sure this is the rest of the level. But I'm just checking. Yeah, no, I don't know. I'm convinced this is just the rest of the level, though. Can't be sure, though. Okay, it is. So now I have to go all the way back. Wonderful. Going all the way back to the pipe I didn't trust. Because you can't just trust random pipes. If you want to get to the secret world. Oh, by the way, if I'm talking a little weird, it's just because allergies. I got a lot of them right now. So, yeah, pretty unfortunate. but it's fine. I also might have a cold. I'm not really sure yet, because it's the same exact symptoms for me, so I'm not yapping as much. But yeah, tomorrow's Easter, and I'm going to have to deal with it. Anyway. Hope I don't spread anything to anyone. Yeah, I already know there's a secret world in the sky. It's not even a rumor. I already know it's there. Anyway, yeah. Oh, I forgot there's a secret exit I was supposed to be looking for. But here's level 4. Perilous Plant Place. I think that's what that said. I don't know if it said palace or place. Alright. Now I gotta look around for a secret exit that I forgot about. Really? Now I gotta look around for a secret exit I forgot about. So, great. That's great. Check it out. See where it is. Maybe it is up here or something. I don't know. More things. Oh my god, more things over here. Up here. Seems to be nothing up there. No! What the heck? Oh, there's a red pipe right there. Alright. Hello, everyone. So it's been like 2 weeks since I last did this. And I'm not sick anymore, or actually it has been 1 week. And I'm not sick anymore, so I'm going to try and get the secret exit of this level now. Like I was doing before. Let me turn it up. I think I muted the sound by accident. Let's see. Yeah, I have it muted. Now it's making noise. Alright, cool. So anyway, I pretty much already know where the secret exit is. However, it might be a little difficult for me to find it because I forgot, like, exactly where it was. I know what to do, though. Somewhat remember what to do. Something regarding a pipe. It's this pipe right here. I think you're supposed to do this. Yeah. Alright. Anyway, then we got this challenging little section. Okay. There we go. And bam! It's the secret, and it's a red orb to let you know. So, cool. That's not terribly difficult. Anyway, so yeah, you got 1-S, which is the secret level, obviously. This one is Green Grass of Home. The special level. Yes, indeed, folks. The special level is upon us. Yeah, so there's gonna be plenty of content this week because I don't have school. So I've got time to have a whole bunch of content. Doesn't mean I'm actually gonna do it, but you know, that's my goal, pretty much. Right, so I know the topic was probably something completely different in the first half of this video, so I apologize for that, because I am talking about something else now. Alright, I don't know if I've actually gotten all the coins in that part or not. I'm gonna say I did, just because, yeah. Fire flower, nice. Alright, oh, there's little flowers. Jumping flowers. That's what I'm trying to say. Yep. Jumping flowers. How am I supposed to know what's in there? Ah, there's another one of these things. With a Koopa, shell. Whatever. I need to see what's in here. Oh, it's a bunch of coins. Alright, it was enough coins to give me a 1-up, so I think that was a fair deal. Oh, yeah, I did miss one. It might be over here, though. Yeah, it is. Alright, cool. At least this game's easy. I mean, yeah. Anyway, this unlocks the first star level. So yeah, this is the special world. You need to do stuff to get the special world. So, yeah. Special -1 is New Horizons. So, yeah. And you, the special levels don't unlock each other. You have to unlock each one individually by world. Oh gosh, I'm just trying to get this thing. This coin. Did I really forget what a coin was? Yes. Yes, I did. I'm not surprised. Anyway, obviously this is a slightly more difficult level than what the rest of World 1 is. Because, you know, it's the special level. So, obviously. But it's still overall pretty easy. This is a pretty beginner-friendly hack, I would say. At least for me it is. It's even like teaches you how to do some basic spin jumping right there. Maybe right here, do I gotta spin jump? Sure. So, well, that was stupid, but you know, it's pretty beginner. Wow, it's pretty beginner friendly because it doesn't have anything like crazy. Well, okay, maybe the later worlds do, but still, compared to a lot of other hacks, it's pretty beginner. Why do I keep saying that? It's pretty beginner friendly. Dang it. Not this level, obviously, but, you know. Right, so, I have failed, so I can't actually get the star badge. I'll come back and get it. But, obviously not on camera, because that's kind of just a waste of time to do that on camera. But yeah, looks like I can get all these coins pretty easily. Oh, well, okay, that was a little trolly, but alright. So, yeah, I think you can switch between seasons, so I can just come back to that later. Right now, let's do Perilous Plant Place. Spin jump on that guy. First coin up here. Yes. Oh. I want to just. Oh my. It's a piranha plant. They look at you and jump. Wow. Yes, that is what these enemies do. They just look at you and jump. Very amusing. not very deadly. Anyway, right now isn't the time for the deadly enemies, though. This is just World 1. Everyone remember that. This is just World 1. I don't know if this is the spring or the summer. Oh, yeah, they're oh, wow. They're immune to fire as well. So, I mean, that's something. And then there's this little sideways vine thing. That's also a thing in this level. Yes. You gotta climb on it. 'Tis necessary. Alright. Oh, there we go. Anyway, here is a pipe, which obviously is a coin, I think. Yes. Might be the actual rest of the level. I'm not sure. But, it's something. Might just be a bonus area, might not. I don't know. I don't know where that other area leads. It's probably another coin, but this honestly looks like more of a secret way than anything, so my bad. If the fifth... Oh, never mind. The fifth coins are here. Okay. Oh, whoops. Then what does that other part lead to? Just nothing? Is there just nothing over there, I guess? I don't know. Right, so 1-5... Okay, this is spring. So 1-5 is on this, like, little mountain thing. Obviously, in the winter, this is, like, a slippery ice level. Right now, it's 1-5, the sound of spring. And it's actually a cave. I think it's a cave in every world. It might not actually be a cave in every world. I don't really know what levels are which, but yeah. I actually remember this level very much. Oh, never mind, this piranha things are back. Great. I love that. I love the piranha things. Piranha things are so fun. They just sit there doing nothing. So, I mean, yeah. But with my stupidity, I run into them without doing anything, so they don't need to do anything. Sometimes they even jump. Here we have the piranha thing in its natural habitats. A cave. Jumping. And showing little piranha teeth. Unable to attack because, I don't know. They're obviously not connected to the ground, so why don't they run after you? I don't know. Because logic, I should say twisted logic. Twisted logic. Holy, why can I never speak properly? Alright, there we go. Got a lot of stuff. Great. Okay. Okay. Oh, pipe. Nice. This looks like a secret area. Alright. Wow, I have 20 lives because I've only died like once. In that stupid special level. Because those are a little more difficult, but yeah. Nice. There's 1-5. And now, it's a ghost house. Yes, a ghost house. Yes, you heard me right, a ghost house. But it's labeled as 1-6. It's not 1-ghost house, it's 1-6. And it's called Boring, or Boring, whatever, I don't know. Anyway, the boos are pretty cute in this game, so that's nice. Or kawaii boos. Dino ghosts look the same. The boos are kawaii. Hashtag kawaii. Kawaii boos. BOOS. Spelling. As in multiple boos. Whoa, okay. Stupid dino ghosts. No one likes you. Oh, there's one up. Cool. My fireballs don't even appear. Wow. That's crazy. Oh, now I spawned 2 at once. Oh, now I'm being stupid. Anyway, there aren't actually secondary power-ups in this, because yeah, there's none in the ghost house. I don't know. There just isn't. What's in here? Ooh, there's something back there. Go up here. Okay, what is this? Oh, nice. Gotta trick them into going up there. P-switch. Sure, but I want to get that coin. Oh, this is how you get that coin. Nice. And now, I can just run up here. Alright, fair. And now I'm back here. And I can go down here. And over here, and hit that, and okay. We can go over here. This door, I don't trust it. It's gonna take me to the rest of the level. No, never mind. There's nothing down there. Okay. So anyway, that was the boy. Oh no. Oh jeez. Okay, Big Boo. Hello. Go up. Oh. No, that was... that was a bad idea. That was a terrible idea, actually. Okay. So, never mind. Shouldn't have made Big Boo go up. So, oops. Yeah, I'm not gonna be risky. They can't get to me. They're too scared. They're too chicken to get to me. The ghosts are too chicken? Question mark, question mark? Yes. They, in fact, are. Anyway. Kawaii Boo right there. Okay. Move faster. Okay, there we go. I am impatient. Move faster. Bum 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 bum. Oh hey, there's the secondary power up. What? Oh, what? Oh, the box isn't there when I don't have a secondary power up. Well, that makes sense. Yeah, so that vine exists. I don't know how to. I'm just gonna. It's probably through this door. I have to take a guess. Yep. Right. This is like a smaller circle, I feel like. It's a little smaller. Oh, there's coins. It's just coins. Wonderful. Okay, there we go. Now we can continue. These ghosts are so kawaii. Oh my god. The kawaii ghosts. Ooh. Okay, there we go. Got all the coins. I got all the coins and this blue shell, and I'm gonna kick it. And it's 1-up. Give me it. I have 26 lives. You're gonna need them later because this game gets a little harder. Jeez. This game definitely gets a lot harder in the last 2 seasons. It's pretty difficult. So, what would that be? Fall and winter are pretty difficult, but spring and summer are pretty easy. And now you just got the castle. Anyway, 1-7 is called Like a Falling Stone because I'm pretty sure the boss in this is a thwomp. So, you know, obviously it's thwomp themed. So, falling like a stone obviously makes sense as a name. Even though they look like raviolis, don't be fooled. They are not raviolis. They are thwomps. Which way am I supposed to be going? Oh, this looks like a special secret, because it's yellow pipe. That's usually something secret. So, cool. Alright. Nice. I check everywhere for everything. Oh, this is the beginning again. So, alright. Whoa. Oh man, those piranhas are back. Of course they are. We love the piranhas. Things that don't do anything. Whoa. We love the piranhas, things that don't do anything. Words to live by. Okay, be prepared for this guy. Woo! Okay. This is interesting. I meant to jump there, but I didn't even press the jump button. So, where am I now? Is this like a maze to find the coins? Oh, wow, that was nice. Very nice of you to have that thwomp placed there. I think this is the top part of where yeah, it's just the top part of that other part. So if I didn't decide to go down there, I would have gone up here. Cool. No, that is not what I was trying to do. Crap, is there another shell somewhere? Please? Shell, why? Is there another shell somewhere? Please be, why? Why is there no shell? Oh, I messed up. I messed up and I need one. Hello? I'll just look for one later. I'll look for one over here. I really messed up, didn't I? Can I go in here? Oh jeez, yeah, I really messed up. Here, I'm gonna do that. Because I just got the checkpoint. So I can go back and get the coins and stuff. Including that one. Wait, no. I already have 2 coins, never mind. I don't need to do that. This looks different. Why is this different? Is this different? Or am I going crazy? I feel like I wasn't down there before. No, I definitely wasn't. There we go. There's a special part right here. See? Alright, P-switch. Great. Alright, I didn't realize you can just... I didn't realize it saved the coins. Interesting. I definitely wasn't down here before. So, I should be on the lookout for things. Because I was not over here before. I don't know what this is. Kind of shelled this time. But it's not very important. Yet. Until I find that other part. Because it's just something different now. It's like the second section. I don't know. Ah, well, guess it's too late. Because that was like the second part. Guess I'm coming back to this one too. This guy takes forever to kill, honestly. Okay. I don't even know how to kill him, really. Oh, there we go. Spin. Oh, cool. That's it? Alright, sure. It's not that bad. It's pretty easy. Oh, my bad. I missed. I'm missing. Okay, there we go. There we go. Okay. Shouldn't be too bad. In reality. Before I could spin jump, this boss fight was quite difficult. Before I kind of figured out all that. This boss was very difficult. But look at that, it's pretty easy. So yeah, you can just press start to go between the seasons. So yeah, Summer's World 2 pretty much. It just looks the same pretty much, except there's green now. There's like wheat and stuff growing. Because that's fun. So anyway, let me save. So it saved my 28 lives. And yeah, tomorrow we will be doing this right here, Summer, because I can just do this one world per day, and then over 4 days, because it's only 4 worlds, so it's not too difficult. Though, alright, that's gonna be it. Yeah, bye.